No, Sam, we don't know.
No, Sam.
Guys,
Six
let's
people.
just do Mind Wars.
We can do Mind
Let's
Wars.
just do Mind Wars. Yeah, just do Mind Wars.
What is Mind Wars?
We mine in a
No
war,
idea.
I guess.
No idea.
Wait. So is what? Do emeralds matter?
Fried cheese, join my party.
All right. Wait. Calm.
You
Like
Jen.
5.
I mean,
Ah.
but like,
What do you
wait, guys,
do?
I can't. Wait, look at my sword. It's pink.
I saw people beating each other up in like the floating box because they were lagging
Yeah,
behind.
that's what I did. What?
There's no kids in here. There's no kids in here.
Sam, man. Oh wait, you have to mine stone. You have to mine stone.
Hey, everyone mine.
Oh, this is stupid. Bro, as a child, I yearn for the mines.
Diamond!
Iron.
It's diamond.
Bro, don't steal my vein.
Oh my, this is stupid.
I can't go.
Someone donate me. I mean, like just minerals, bro.
I got 3 emeralds.
Give me.
I'm gonna put them in the chest.
I'm stealing everything from everyone.
I hope you jump.
Chill.
Oh, don't.
Have you?
Wait, I can do X-ray. Wait, I found out how to X-ray, guys.
Genuinely?
Wait, guys.
Wait, so.
Okay.
I found their mine. Guys, come down here. Come down here. Come down and play.
We do not care.
Damn. Wait, I see someone.
Whoa.
Guys. I'm in the other team's mine. I'm gonna get molested by this guy.
I never knew you were into that. Damn.
All right, Sam. Whatever you say, Sam.
Yo, there's a ravine. There's a ravine here. The other team is like just as new as us.
Who's taking damage?
Me.
Oh, yeah. Ah, I see that.
You guys got the other team, right? Or are they?
I was first added. I was like actually, I thought it was like OP or something, but I realized that it was just kind of.
I played back when Jade was a season kit, twin.
Okay.
That's true.
There's someone coming.
Don't
Where
care.
are they coming?
I'm mining, dude. I'm mining away.
Where are they coming? It's kind of
Oh, okay, what the fuck was that?
What's that?
Not bad.
Yes, I killed someone. I hit them in
Guys,
the
I got a laser pickaxe.
What?
What?
Wait. Oh shit.
I'm gonna get some TNTs.
Wait, I'm in enemy territory. I'm actually scared.
Why are you scared?
I'm so scared.
No, there's like
Oh my
3,
God.
like
Oh my
there's
God.
like 4 around me, bro. Like I don't wanna get associated with these type of people.
Alright, Sam. Whatever you say, buddy.
I see them.
They're on me! Wait, they're killing the Titan. I got one. Wait, actually.
Bro, we be building like Fortnite in this game mode, huh?
Oh.
I killed the dude that was molesting Sam.
For God's sake, man, I lost everything. This is I got the feeling of gamblers now.
I love gambling.
We love gambling, Sam. Don't say that.
I hate gamblers. Nigga,
I'm literally on them, bro. They're right here, dude. They're right here.
Yes!
What a whole bunch of Jews.
I win!
Oh.
What's your name?
No,
How does that work?
that does not. Yeah, that's not how it works.
Oh shit! I think we're a little deep.
What?
Wait, we ate, right?
No, there's no 8.
Fuck's sake!
Is everyone okay?
GG, bro. GG.
It's so scary, bro. Get this Jew hiding down there.
Yeah. Wait. Let me get him. He's mine.
Well, boy, what are you
No,
doing?
no, Tippy, I have my AirPods. I don't
I'm
know
got-
Tippy.
Oh, wait, the bed's gone. Just rush them. Bed's gone.
I broke their bed, twin.
Why do you care what scene is Tippy?
Who was Charlie Kirk?
Yay!
Oh my god.
That's so fun. Let's play again.